Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll show you how to install WordPress. So let's start, guys. So first of all, you have to log in your hosting. So I log in hosting and simply over the dashboard scroll it down and click on WordPress. It will install the WordPress by itself, simply one click. So here guys, you can set up the protocol. So I choose HTTPS, choose the domain and choose the directory. I choose root directory, and here guys, you have to configure your database as well as username. So remember your username and password and also database name. So it will creating no problem in future if you change any database. So click on install. So installation of WordPress. So now WordPress is installed, so you can check, and now I simply refresh the domain, and here guys you can check error in database connection. So you have no worry, you have to simply going to SQL services. So guys, in your left side you can find the SQL services and MySQL manager. So in SQL services, here you can see MySQL manager. Go to the MySQL manager, and here guys you can see the database name. This is our database, but here you can check no user is available. So this is the problem. So we have to add the user. So simply enter the username. I type here the same username which I use when I install the WordPress. So I type the same username and password. If you have other username and password, so I'll show you in next video how to create and how to change the username and password in WordPress. So click on create. So here guys, now you can check the username is available. So simply go to the website and refresh again, so it will work. So here guys, you can check it is work. So simply click on continue, and here you can enter your site title, username, password and email address. So simply I enter the username and password. If you use the weak password, so you have to confirm the weak password. So I simply enter the email address and confirm the weak password, and then click on install WordPress. So now simply log in with the username and password. So I click on login and log in with username and password. So now you can see the dashboard of WordPress, where you can easily edit, post your blog or website. So here I simply check the WordPress version, and I also check the website. So now I can check the website. So it is working. This is simple WordPress theme. You can see powered by WordPress, and here guys you can see the version of WordPress. It is latest version right now, because always it will install the latest version if you want by default settings. So I'll show you in next video how to install manually any version of WordPress. So this is the way how you can install the WordPress, latest version of WordPress. So this is the way, and every step I'll show you in this video. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.